How to record on Directv stream. Now, as of 2025, recording option is already available on any kinds of subscription that you do have on Directv stream. However, there are some instances depending on what subscription you're at. So if you're on Premier, Ultimate, and Choice, there is still a recording option. However, the specific storage in which the recording episode, series, or movies or videos from DirecTV stream that you are trying to save up may actually be depending on your storage. So what you want to do is just to simply scroll down or to simply head out and check whatever the storage that you will be getting on that certain subscription. But if you're gonna be under the entertainment part, then if you click on what you get, you will be seeing unlimited cloud DVR recording, in which you will be getting unlimited storage out of the shows that you'll be recording. Now, it will expire after 9 months, and a specific recording max 30 episodes stored with unlimited hours of cloud DVR. So for you to be able to use that feature, just simply open up or access the show that you want to record, and then it is located at the lower right portion of that video as a plus icon. Tap on that and it will automatically be recorded and be stored to your storage. That's pretty much it. It's how you record on DirectTV stream.